Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I have a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to format a flash drive or thumb drive in Windows 11. It's really quite simple to do, and you will have your flash drive formatted in no time. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So an important note before you format your flash drive or thumb drive, everything on this drive will be deleted when you format it. You won't be able to get it back, so make sure it is backed up before you do this. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the flash drive into my USB port on my computer. All right, so here we are on my Windows 11 desktop. I've got the flash drive plugged into my computer, and we need to open up the File Explorer. So for myself, I have File Explorer pinned here at the bottom. It's a little file folder. If you have that, you can go ahead and left click on it. If you don't, go over to your Start menu here, the little Windows icon, and we're gonna right click on that, not left click, but right click. And in there, you should see a menu that pops up, and the File Explorer option will be in here. You can go ahead and left click on File Explorer, and it's going to load up the File Explorer for your computer. Now from here over on the left hand side, you might see your flash drive here. Mine's called Ken USB. If you're not seeing it there, you can expand this PC or left click on this PC. So I could left click on that, or I could expand it here. There's a little kind of arrow and it'll expand it out. And you should see all your drives here. Again, mine is Ken USB. Now, what we're going to be doing is looking for our USB drive. So yours might be a different brand. It might say Lexar, it might say SanDisk. You'll want to search for your USB drive. Now, make sure you've got the correct drive. You don't want to format and lose all the information on the wrong drive. And what we're going to do is head over to the drive here. So you see my drive. You can do this right here or over here on the left-hand side. And we're going to find that drive and we're going to right click on it. And a little menu is going to pop up, and you should see the option in here that says Format. Go ahead and left click on Format, and a little window is going to pop up that looks something like this. And you can see the capacity here. You can also see the file system type. So mine is currently set to default as FAT32. I'm going to leave it on that. There are other options that you might see come up. I'm going to leave mine on FAT32. That's the most versatile and used for Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. And then we're going to go ahead and we can actually change the name as well. So right now mine's set to Ken USB. I might just call it Kodak because this is a Kodak drive. You can name it whatever you like. Make sure quick format is selected, and we're just going to go ahead and hit start here at the bottom. It will give you a warning. Formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. It's going to start formatting that drive for us. And depending on how much information on there, it could take a little bit longer. It says format complete. We're going to go ahead and hit OK and close. And that is complete. You can see there's nothing now on that drive. And it's really that simple to format a flash drive or thumb drive here in Windows 11. So I hope this quick Windows 11 tutorial helped you format your flash drive. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.